Hello, we are doing 184 divided by 4 using an area model. So I have my little mountain climber here, and we are going to be chipping away or climbing up the number 184, and we're using the number 4. Here's what I mean. Always draw a fact triangle, 184 divided by 4. So in other words, we are saying 4 times what equals 184. So 4 times something will get us up there, and you could skip count 4, 6, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 till you get to 184, but you know, there's quicker ways to do that. We could do 4 times 20, which gets us up to 80, and then we could do 4 times 10, which gets us up to another 40, which is 120, and you can just keep multiplying your 4 by big numbers as you go up the mountain. All right, and here's how we're going to do that. So let's draw 1, 2, 3. A 3-part area model, and the number goes in the middle. If we were multiplying, we'd put our numbers outside and multiply them in, but we're dividing. We know the biggest number, so it goes right here. There we go, and the 4 goes on the outside. So basically, we are going to do 4 times big numbers to try to get to 184, or just try to get to 100 at first, and then try to get to 80, and then try to get to 4. So let's do that. Can we do 4 times something to get us, you know, just to 100 there? So not even to 180 or anything like that. Can we just try to get up to 100? 4 times equals 100. Well, think about quarters. You get 4 quarters. That's 100. That's $1. And how much is a quarter? 25 cents, right? 4 times 25 is 100. Yeah. You could also get close to 100 by doing 4 times something gets you close to 10, so we could get up to 80 instead, if that seems easier for you. But if you know that 4 times 25 is 100, then you could do that, right? Let's do the little simpler way right now. So let's just try to get to 10. 4 times 2 is 8, which is close to 10. So could we do 4 times 20? 4 times 20 will get us up to 80. And that's okay if you don't get all the way up there and you just get close. You're just chipping away, all right? So you do what works for you. Let's try that. Let's do 20. Okay, now we have done 4 times 20, which gets us partially up our mountain. How far up? Well, can we actually do it and find out? 4 times 20 is 80. So we have gotten up to 80. And now we're going to subtract, because we're trying to figure out the difference of how far is left. 4 minus 0, 8 minus 8. Now we got 104. Great. So could we take away another 80, get up to 100 again? Could we take away 100? That's up to you. Let me show you what I mean. So I could try to get to 100, right? And I could say 4 times 25 is 100. Or I could just go up to 80 again. You already know how to do 80. You could just keep doing that and chip away. Let me show you what I mean. 4 times 20 equals 80, right? Let's just do that again. Do another 20. Okay. And that got us, we had 104 left over, and we just chipped away another 80. So we chipped away 80 first, and now we've chipped away another 80. So now let's actually subtract that, because we're trying to figure out the difference of how much is left. So 104 minus 80, 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 8 can't do it, but if you take this, cross it off, turn this into a 10, 10 minus 8 is 24. Woohoo, now we have 24 left over. That's it, 24 left over. That is going to be so easy. Now all we have to do is 24 divided by 4. So we did 80 here. We did 4 times 20 gets us up to 80. We had 104 left to work with. And then we did another 4 times 20 gets us up to 80. Now we have 24 to work with. So now we're going to do 24 divided by 4. And if you know your multiplication facts, then you know 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we'll put our 6 up here. And 6 times 4 is 24, so we have nothing left over. We made it clear to the top with no remainders. And this is what we did. We multiplied by 20, then we multiplied by another 20, then we multiplied by 6. So 20 plus 20 plus 6 is our quotient. So we multiplied 4 times 46. meaning 184 divided by 4 is 46. And now I do need you to prove it. So we're going to do 46 times 4 and see if it equals 184 or not. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, 184. So that is one way to do our area model to get 184 divided by 4. Let me show you what it would have looked like if we'd done the hundreds, because the area model, you're just chipping away so you can do what you know. But let me show you what that would look like. So we do 184 divided by 4, and we would start by saying, what's 100 divided by 4? And if you know 100 divided by 4 is 25, then you can just do that. 25 times 4 is 100, and then subtract it, and you have 84 left over. Put the 84 right here. And now we're going to do 84, or let's just say 80. Just do 80 divided by 4. Well, we know 8 divided by 4 is 2. Therefore, 80 divided by 4 is 20. Put a 20 up here. 4 times 20 was 80, so we've chipped away 100, and then we chipped away 80, and we have 4 left over. And now we're going to do 4 divided by 4. Any number divided by itself is 1. And 1 times 4 is 4, and there's nothing left over. So then we would add these together. 25 plus 20 plus 1 equals 46. So we got the same answer both ways. So when you're doing the area model, you really get to chip away and just multiply that 4 times big numbers and chip away at this mountain using division and multiplication problems that you're already comfortable with.